Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We have just got a request to have a look at Polyswarm, ticker symbol NCT. It is on Coinbase. It does have a low market cap. We're going to be doing a full technical analysis, also looking into the website of the token. Anything I say during this video is not financial advice. It's my thoughts and opinions only. Please do not copy any of my trades. That would be a very, very bad idea. So we are looking at the chart. I haven't looked at this chart before. It's not something I've analyzed. So firstly, what I like to do is zoom out and see specific levels, horizontal levels of support and resistance. First, we start. Let me zoom this in for you. We analyze the all-time lows, and then we can put. This was this first high, which I'd imagine, yes, there was a lot of resistance at that level, and first being the first all-time high before selling off, capitulating. Then we have got, let's see if there's any other horizontal levels, and then once I do all my full analysis, I'll give you my thoughts on where this is going, what levels are important. And just put that there. After that, we can do, is there any trend lines? There is a short-term trend to the upside right now, but that's on the smaller time frame. So what we're going to do is take a Fibonacci from the high to low, just to give us some ideas of further take profit / support and resistance levels. So that's from there to the all-time low. We are currently sat at an important level, which is the 236. Then we've got the 50% retrace, the 786. And the 1618, which is the final take profit zone in most cases. I'm just doing my full analysis as I haven't looked at this stock at this crypto before. Okay, we're currently sat at 4.5 cents, 4.3 cents, which is looking good for now. So let me explain why when I look at this chart, it does look okay. We can move over to the daily time frame. That will give us a bit more, or the 3-day time frame. This is the 3-day time frame, so this is the medium-term time frame. What's occurring, which is very nice to see, is there was an accumulation zone all down here for a while. Then there was the breakout. It was and then got sold off. It hit resistance. It got sold off. But what's nice to see is that supports are basically held. It capitulated. It went sideways. And what traders started doing, what holders of this currency have started doing, is they've started buying and they're not willing to sell. So that's resulted in a bottom being formed over here. You can see that bottom. Let me show you again. You can see that bottom has been regarded as support, so it curved, it came down fast, then it had a rounding bottom with 3 lows, sort of an inverse head and shoulders, and then you saw higher lows. This resulted in people not willing to sell, people buying, people holding on for longer, higher lows. This is a bullish sign. This means more people are holding this crypto, more people are willing to buy it, and less people. And at the same time, something very important you're seeing as well is higher highs. So you had these highs, you're now producing higher highs. People aren't willing to sell, they're waiting for higher prices to sell, and now you've just broken through resistance as well. So the trend right now is looking very good on Polyswarm. This is a review for Archer, who's asked me to do this. He purchased a mug and he said, do you mind if you do a review for this? So no worries at all. If you want a review like this done for yourselves, you can purchase a mug. Again, it's not financial advice, it's just supporting the show, and I do give you my thoughts and opinions on it. And the website is here. I'll add it to the links that are already in the chat. And Archer said, let me see what he's saying about this crypto. He said on Discord, looks strong and undervalued. Full disclosure, I've owned this since 1.5 cents. This is what he said on Discord. I thought I'd give you a heads up of the way it's moving. Let's see what else he said. Fundamentally interesting, crypto already have partnerships with numerous cybersecurity companies, so real utility, but then again, fundamentals don't always matter, i.e. Filecoin. So yeah, utility is important, but also, as you said, sentiment is also just as important. So this has to be picked up by the masses, the retail market has to get involved. Sometimes they like utility, sometimes it's just like the name of something. So this seems to be going well right now. You had this rounding bottom, there's higher lows, higher highs. You've just broken through resistance. This is an important piece of resistance. Holding above 4 cents is important. You've had a great day today, I think. Let me see, let me go on the daily time frame. It's up 22% while the rest of the market's down. So your next target is about 5 cents. If you've been holding from lower levels, people holding from those levels might have taken some profits at 4 cents. Next level of resistance would be around 5 cents. The level after would be about 8.5 cents. And once you break 8.5 cents, and these are all levels. Normally, if I've been buying a crypto, if I've been accumulating at lower levels, let's say around 2 cents, I would start selling off, getting my initial out maybe, then selling another 10-15% at the next resistance, 8.5 cents, selling another 10-15% at 13 cents, and selling another 20% at 17 cents, selling another 20%. And I think this will be my final target as well, 27 cents. If the retail market really does get involved, if the fundamentals are strong, which you say they are, we can have a look at the website. I would imagine a 10x on this, on something like this, wouldn't be too unrealistic. Again, it is already on Coinbase. The market cap is 81 million. You can look at it here. It's the 515th largest market cap crypto. It does have plenty of room to grow. It can be very volatile. It is going to be high risk. Crypto is high risk, so I wouldn't go all into it. But it is on Coinbase exchange, so it does allow a lot of liquidity to be poured into the stock. Just looking at the website very quickly, the freshest malware intelligence powered by the Swarm. With PolySwarm, you get early detection of threats, unique samples, higher accuracy, polyscore, threat scoring, which enables SOC automation, unrivaled threat hunting. So it seems to be attacking something which isn't oversaturated, and it looks like it's doing something useful. So, and you've mentioned that it is partnered with cybersecurity companies. So this is an important sector, and it's not too oversaturated like the AI space, the pure AI space. So in my opinion, it does look good. It is rounding bottom. There is resistances in place. If I was buying low, I would already start getting my initial out, but I do think this crypto can go higher. We're not overbought on the daily time frame yet. The MACD is bullish. The 3-day time frame, you're entering but overbought, but that just means the momentum's on your side. So we can start seeing this crypto really start accelerating to the upside. So I wish you the best of luck. Until next time, there will be a couple videos if you want to watch them on the side here. If you want your own review, do let me know. The mugs will be limited edition. I think they will probably be sold out by the time you watch this video. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.